guys, Kilroy here, episode 24. You're watching Mako TV. Let's not waste any time, let's get straight to the news. Brought to you by Airsoft Today, World Airsoft News. Now if we ever did a segment, like a douchebag of the day, or the Airsoft asshats would be a better name for it, this guy would definitely take the cake. So you've got a guy, he's got an M9 Airsoft pistol, no big deal. Takes the mag out, hands it over to a friend, says, check it out. Guy's checking over, thinks it's really cool, and then the guy that hands it to him says, now shoot me with it. Anybody with an airsoft gun normally is pretty hesitant to shoot somebody they know close range, because you're not a freaking idiot. So this guy's like, okay, yeah, sure, shoots him. Not only is it not an airsoft gun, but there's a fucking round in the chamber. That's right, guy shoots his buddy with a 9mm gun right at the fucking leg. Now here's the douchebag part, the asshat part. The guy knew it wasn't an airsoft gun when he handed it to his friend. He took the mag out, but gun smarts people, there's a fucking round in the chamber every time. Guy took the mag out, didn't clear the chamber, so when his friend pulled the trigger, caught a round in the leg. Now on Airsoft Today they call it an airsoft mix-up. That's an understatement. This guy's a fucking asshat, should never touch an airsoft gun again. So, pardon my language, but I really don't care. This guy's an airsoft asshat. Talked about this collaboration before. Zeta Labs and Ares have come together. They made the Mazda Nagant. They're making a couple new things for all you Battlefield 2 guys, Bad Company guys. I don't know if it's in Modern Warfare because I don't give a shit. Ares Val and the VSS Venturas, they're getting made into airsoft replicas. They're pretty sweet. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check out the pictures. Put a couple over here, so check them out. It's going to be pretty sweet. It's not that big of a deal around our area because our CQB facilities that we go to don't allow full autos inside for good reason. But I stumbled across this video from Airsoft Today, and after looking, it's not the first person to do it, but this guy here has created a dual sector AEG build. He shoots around 280 to 380, somewhere in there, 60 rounds per second. It's crazy fast. Check out the video, I'll put a link in the description. It's insane. So last weekend we went back out to Tab, had a good time out there, played some Capture the Flag, some VIP games. Not really much detail to get into, they're pretty self-explanatory, so let's get into the footage.
One left, one right, one right, one right. There's one on the right.
Okay, he's dead.
There's one more hiding behind stuff. There's one more in there.
Yeah.
Unless he fell back. Okay. He's
hit?
Yep. Got one inside. No, not even. You weren't even close, man. Your door busted.
Door busted and I didn't have...
We'll just parlay it and walk back.
Alright, well I was just gonna say, door blocked my line of sight. So
Yeah.
you guys are good. Dead man, I'm gonna walk out the back.
If my mag would have fed, I probably would have licked your ass up full auto.
Here you go.
Alright.
Not falling up like a motherfucker.
Support team, forward!
Go. Get him a medic.
That's friendly coming from the side. Six outside.
Close on the run.
Yeah, that's on pick off.
Did he get you?
Huh?
Did he get you?
Yeah, I came behind you. Get behind the door, little fucker.
Hit me in the dick. I'm the dick in the head.
I think everybody else is over here.
I think we got one more out here. We got one more out here.
Down the hallway.
No way.
See anything over here?
Just down the hall.
Oh, hit. Sorry.
Sorry, I was too close too.
Woo!
You alright?
Thank God for iPro. Walking out.
Moving up back here. Moving around. Heading back behind the bathroom.
Surrender. Hold fire.
I almost shot you.
Second wall back over here.
You come back there?
Yep.
Is there one over here? Oh. Kilroy, is there one over here?
Yep. He was. Still there.
So.
Cool.
Oh, on the other side. Who's he on the other side of the wall?
There's one by the. They're in this room now. Behind the blinds. One behind the blinds. Check right side.
Hey, I've got him down here. I know it's broken down, so they're compensating. So keep an eye down on him. You come up to here.
Hey, someone get outside on the windows.
He's right around the corner.
Oh, I lost the spoon.
No, that's mine.
Oh, where's mine at?
This is back there.
Got one green.
Hit! Gone that way! Gone that way! Fuck me. Now our flag's going.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. We had a good time. It's always a good time with the Mako guys, and Mac from CMA, he was out there with us, and he started with us anyway, so he just always meshes with the team really well. But had a good time. Not really any conflicts to speak of. Everybody got along pretty good. Just so everybody knows, those of you that don't play with me, those of you that do play with me, anytime I get hit in the face, in the nose, because I got such a giant honker anyway, I swear, don't take it personal. It's just me. I get shot in the face, it hurts like a bitch for my pretty face. I mean, hell, I gotta talk to you guys every week, right? Anyway, don't take it personal. So if you play with me, or if you're first time playing with me and you're just freaked out because I'm yelling at you, don't be, because I'll yuck it up with you later. Next episode, we're going out to Tab again. They were going to have an operation out there, Tab hosted operation. Due to the lack of admin able to show up to the event, it's just going to be a big open play. Wet Work from Iowa is coming down. I'll put a link to their forums down here in the description. Really great group of guys. We always have a fantastic time playing with them. So check out their forum, bounce around, tell them that I sent you, and just get to know more people around the Airsoft area. I mean, don't just stick to your state, know people everywhere. Why not, right? You never know when you're going to be passing through, have an Airsoft gun in the trunk. Hell, stop and play Airsoft while you're on a road trip. Why the hell not, right? But guys, that's all I got for episode 24. As always, if you have any questions, hit me up at Kilroy@MakoEvents.com. Be happy to answer anything you got. Got suggestions for the shows, awesome picture, that kind of thing, also send it to the same place, Kilroy@MakoEvents.com. Here coming up in episode, I think it's going to be 26, we'll be down at a invite-only event hosted by Milsim Event. We're going to be the exclusive guys on the field, but taking camera and stuff, interviews, reviews, all that good stuff. So keep an eye out for that, episode 26. You're not going to want to mix it. But guys, until next time, mags out, safety's on.
You're watching Mako TV.